this video, I'll be reviewing the Sony WH1000XM5. Sony's WH1000XM5 series has long been at the forefront of noise cancellation headphone technology, and the WH1000XM5 is no exception. Packed with innovative features, exceptional sound quality, and next-level noise cancellation, these headphones raise the bar for what you can expect from premium headphones. Let's dive into the key features, performance, and value of the Sony WH1000XM5. The Sony WH1000XM5 maintains the sleek and sophisticated design of its predecessors. The headphones are incredibly comfortable for extended listening sessions thanks to plush air cushions and a well-padded headband. They're designed for long-haul flights, commutes, or simply relaxing at home. Intuitive touch-sensitive controls on the ear cups allow you to adjust playback, change track, adjust volume, or answer calls with simple gestures. It's a convenient way to manage your audio without reacting to your device. Sony's commitment to audio excellence shines through with the WH1000XM5. These headphones feature 40mm LDAC drivers that deliver exceptional sound quality. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, you'll enjoy clear, detailed audio with deep bass, rich mids, and crisp highs. The headphones support high-resolution audio for those who demand the utmost audio fidelity. This means you can hear every nuance and subtlety in your favorite music. Sony's noise cancellation technology is among the best in the industry, and the WH1000XM5 takes it a step further. These headphone features advanced noise cancellation capabilities that adapt to your surroundings, ensuring a peaceful listening experience in any environment. The adaptive sound control features detects your activity and adjust noise cancellation settings accordingly. You can also customize noise cancellation preferences using the Sony Headphones Connect app. This level of control allows you to strike the perfect balance between isolation and awareness. The WH1000XM5 boasts impressive battery life. With noise cancellation active, you can enjoy up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge. Plus, the quick charge features gives you up to 5 hours of playback with just 10 minutes of charging. This makes these headphones ideal for on-the-go use, ensuring you're never without your favorite music or podcasts. The Sony WH1000XM5 is price competitive, starting at $350. Considering their exceptional noise cancellation, top-tier sound quality, and comfort, these headphones offer excellent value for the premium headphone category. They're worthy investment for audiophiles, frequent travelers, or anyone who's appropriate superior audio experiences. In summary, the Sony WH1000XM5 headphones are a testament to Sony's commitment to innovation and quality. They deliver on every front: comfort, sound quality, noise cancellation, and customization. If you're in the market for high-end headphones that redefine the listening experience, the Sony WH1000XM5 is a top choice that won't disappoint. Alright guys, that'll be all for this video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.